Hi everyone, I actually shot a video and I realized that it was on the portrait mode and anyways, doesn't matter now, I have to reshoot the video. So in that video, I was saying hi to all of you firstly, and I was saying that you know what, I have an announcement to make, and the announcement is that I am coming up with the YouTube videos. I'm coming up with a series of YouTube videos. I already have a channel. मैं बहुत सालों से ये सोचते आ रही थी कि मुझे YouTube पे कुछ तो करना है, लेकिन मैं टेरेबली बैड थी उस सब कुछ में. Like I was bad at shooting the video. You can just see, I mean, just see the quality of this video, what I'm shooting. It's I know it's terrible, but anyways, so I was bad at shooting the videos. I was really bad at angles. Sometimes, I was bad at editing. So, you know, so it always discouraged me to not make a video. So, and I started making YouTube videos when I would say, I think in the year 2023 and 2022, maybe 2023 mostly. So I was not comfortable posting them because the sheer quality of the videos was very bad. Aesthetically they were not coming out aesthetically good. वो अच्छे ही नहीं आ रहे थे. तो मुझे लगा कि I think I'm not meant for YouTube or something of that sort. But now I feel like restarting everything which जिसमें मैं टेरिबली बैड हूँ. नॉट जस्ट अबाउट यूट्यूब वीडियो. मैं बहुत चीज़ों में बहुत सालों से सोचते आ रही हूँ, बट मेरा एग्जीक्यूशन इतना पुअर रहा है कि अब मुझे लगता है कि आई शुड स्टार्ट नाउ. व्हेन आई लुक बैक एट ईच एंड एवरी सिंगल थिंग, इट्स ऑलरेडी 3 years, 4 years, 5 years और मे बी 10 years. इतना लंबा गैप रहा है चीज़ों के बीच में. और मैं कितनी सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो मैंने 10 साल पहले सोची थी, अगर मैंने कर ली होती तो क्या से क्या हो गया होता, लेकिन मैं नहीं कर पाई. रीज़न था शायद मेरा माइंडसेट, आई वॉज नॉट रेडी, और इट कुड बी दैट आई वॉजेंट फुली कंफर्टेबल. 1 second, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू मेक श्योर कि एंगल इज़ राइट दिस टाइम. एनीवेज, आई वॉज सेइंग दैट आई वॉज सेइंग दैट 10 साल हो चुके थे चीज़ों को सोचे हुए, सोचे हुए, एंड स्टिल आई एम नो वेयर देयर. आई एम नॉट इवन स्टार्टेड. Just a second, guys. I need to switch my I want to make it silent so that my driver doesn't call me, and if he calls me, I do not get that sound in my YouTube in my video. Anyway, so we were saying that I was terribly bad at doing things, and last 10 साल में मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सोची, मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें करी भी हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सब कुछ ही मैंने ज़ीरो पे रखा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. देयर इज़ अ स्कोर, ओके, देयर इज़ अ गुड स्कोर ऑल्सो, बट I feel like the things that I haven't done, उसका regret ही मुझे अंदर से बहुत anxiety दे रहा है, and I couldn't hold much. Now I want to do it, I just want to do it because I have to do it, because otherwise I'll feel much more regretted, and I feel that वो guilt of not doing, the regret of not doing, I don't like that. I think none of us like that. So if you're like me, so please stay tuned to see if I get success in doing whatever I thought I wanted to do. So if you want to witness that kind of a journey, and if you are also stuck in the same loop, I would welcome you to my videos, and I would want to welcome you to see how normal it is to fail. I mean, I fail a lot. Whatever I do, I fail a lot. I mean, मेरे दिमाग में होता है कि इसको ऐसे करेंगे या वैसे करेंगे, वो कभी वैसा लैंड नहीं होता है रियल में. So I just want you guys to be a witness of कि it's okay. I think I'm not saying that I'm the best, या आप मुझे देख के इंस्पायर हो सकते हो, of course not, but आप लोग अपना एंग्जाइटी कम कर सकते हो when you look at me failing. Who am I? I think that's very important question that I need to answer before even I jump on to saying that what I want to do. So I am Shivani Sharma, this is my name. I am currently in Mumbai, but I am from Delhi, and I am a senior consultant at Big Four, and this is what I do. Apart from that, I have a job in which I travel, and apart from traveling for the job, I don't travel at all. I have traveled only with my mother last month, and that was for the first time I took her out by myself. So I'm definitely not a person जिसकी life बहुत interesting है. I'm very boring as a person, and I have also traveled once in 2022, I guess. In 2022, I went to Udaipur. That was my first personal trip where I actually enjoyed with my friends. Now, coming to my official travels, I have been traveling officially quite a lot. So that's the only thing which is good. Otherwise, everything वही जो चीज़ है ना official travel, that is something which adds flavor to my life. Otherwise, there's nothing much special. There's nothing special about my life, honestly. But life is life, okay? So we never know. Hoping for the best, trying to so because I have a boring life, I want to spice it up a little bit. And so 2 to 3 things. I want to shoot a vlog which is like a reflection of my life, which will also focus on what I thought and what I did, right? And I want to, and this will include a lot of things that I'm struggling with. I'm not able to keep up with my fitness journey. I'm not able to keep up with my uh, you know what do I say, interesting excitement part of the life, which is like हम ये करते हैं भाई, हम तो ऐसे अपनी छुट्टियां मनाते हैं, या blah blah blah, this is how I live lifestyle. So I'm also not good, or I would say I'm also sucking at my lifestyle choices, and I'm leading a very stupid life right now. So I just want you to be with me. I just want you guys to be with me, and let's see. And I really want to thank you so much already for being listener to my first video. मैं क्या करूँगी, मैंने जो पुराने वीडियोस बनाए थे जो बहुत ही गंदे थे, मैं उनको भी इसमें डालूँगी, और शायद इस चैनल पे ऑलरेडी पड़े भी हैं वो वाले वीडियोस. और फिर उसके बाद मैं कुछ 1-2 वीडियोस और डालूँगी जो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली शूट करे थे. एंड उसके बाद आई विल स्टार्ट विद द फ्रेश वीडियोस दैट विल कम अप. ओके, I think I will not be able to make videos every week. I think I'll be able to make videos every month. So yeah, it will be slow in the starting, but once everything is streamlined, then the things like the frequency will be increased. Okay, anyways, so guys, thank you so much for being so patient and being such a good and lovely audience to me. And thank you so much for being here. If you have watched it till now, I'm pretty sure you would want to stick to this channel, right? So yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, I think see you, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.